Hey guys, welcome back to the Rotator Club. I want to make a quick video showing you how to set up the rotator and what you need to do as soon as you join All-in-One Profits. There's a couple of steps you need to take, and I've been getting asked about the rotator, so let me just explain it real quick. I'm going to walk you through it right now. The whole thing just takes a couple of minutes. Let's say you just joined All-in-One Profits and you're in the back office. First thing you want to do is go to Members Home and click on your details and fill all that out. That's your name. I'm not going to click on it because that's your name, address, your e-wallet, your details on your e-wallet, how you want to get paid and stuff like that. Okay? Takes a couple minutes to fill that out. Then you want to go over to the Referrals tab and press Promote. On top of this page, you're going to find your link to promote. It's the first link. Okay, what you need to do is copy that. Then you want to bring that over to go to Toolbox, press Rotator, and on the bottom of the Rotator page, you're going to see a spot to paste that link in. Paste it in there and press Add URL. What you've just done is added yourself to the Rotator. Okay, so now you're all set up with the Rotator Club. You're in your Rotator. Everything that we do is hard-coded to go to that Rotator. Okay, people are asking me, why are we doing it this way? And it's very simple, guys. It's called retention. Okay, one of the biggest problems with home-based businesses or MLMs or anything like that, besides recruiting, but equally as important, is retention. Okay, guys? If you notice the compensation plan for All-in-One Profits, you get to keep 50% of the people you recruit. So if you recruit for yourself, right, you keep the first one, you pass the second one to your sponsor, you keep the third one, you pass the fourth one to your sponsor. Which is great because when you get 5 or 10 or more people in your downline, they're passing every other one up to you too. So it's really a win-win situation. But what we're doing is even better because by promoting for our downline, okay, I recommend after you have about 10 people in your downline, I'm not even in my rotator anymore. I just promote for my downline now. And it's very simple. Why? Because it's the same effect as promoting for myself, except that I'm helping them to stay in the business by helping to get them signups. And they're still passing every other sign up to me. So I'm still getting 50% of the signups. You understand what I'm saying? So I hope that resonates with you guys, and that's the whole idea behind the Rotator Club. And anyway, that's it for now. I'm glad you're here, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.